Hey, cosmic trailblazers! Ever wonder who first dared to chase the universe's biggest empty secrets? Legends, that's who. Welcome back to VoidVentures, your go-to spot for cracking cosmic mysteries wide open. Today, we're saluting the Void research pioneers, the fearless stargazers who uncovered SpaceVoids before anyone knew what they were. These weren't just nerds with telescopes, they were cosmic detectives mapping the unknown. Who were they? How did they spot these massive gaps? We're diving into the gritty stories of the heroes who turned empty space into a science blockbuster. Get ready to meet the OGs who kicked off the Void game, it's about to get epic. So, who were the Void research pioneers? Let's roll back the clock to the early days of space hunting. It starts in the 1800s with William Herschel, a star-mapping rock star. He scanned the sky with a homemade telescope and noticed dark patches where stars went AWOL. He didn't call them voids, but he planted the seed, wondering what those empty zones meant. Fast forward to the 1920s, and Edwin Hubble dropped a bomb: the universe was expanding. His redshift discoveries hinted that those dark spots might be huge gaps, but the void puzzle was still unsolved. The real pioneers hit the scene in the 1970s. Enter Brent Tully and Richard Fisher, two badass astronomers who said, "Let's measure this emptiness." Using redshift data from spectrographs, they mapped galaxy speeds and found voids stretching millions of light-years. In 1978, they published the first void stats, blowing minds with gaps like the local void near our Milky Way. Their tools? Basic telescopes and a lot of math, no fancy computers yet. Then came the 1980s power duo, Margaret Geller and John Huckra. They led the CFA redshift survey, mapping thousands of galaxies with a Harvard telescope. Their 3D maps lit up the cosmic web and bam, voids were everywhere, some over 100 million light-years wide. Geller called it the biggest surprise of my career. They turned scribbled charts into proof that voids weren't flukes, they were cosmic MVPs. These pioneers didn't just find gaps, they showed how voids balance the universe, setting the stage for modern surveys like Sloan. What makes them legends? They had no tech crutches, just raw curiosity and grit. From Herschel's sketches to Geller's maps, these trailblazers turned SpaceVoids from a ha into a whoa. And we're still riding their wave today. The Void research pioneers turned cosmic blanks into epic breakthroughs. SpaceVoids owe them big time. These stargazing heroes mapped the unseen with nothing but guts and genius. Here at VoidVentures, we're all about honoring these cosmic OGs. Stick around for more. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and share this with your space crew. Who's your fave Void pioneer? Drop it in the comments, we're hyped to hear. See you next time in the cosmic wild, explorers.